Hi, my name is Suhani Brahmbhatt and this is my partner Srusty Patel. This past year we did some research and we did it on testing the effects of artificial sweeteners for cell mutagenic behavior.
Today, artificial sweeteners are widely used in many manufactured products. These artificial sweeteners have been known for causing detrimental effects on bladder and kidney stones. So they also promote these genetic mutations. And the long-term effects of UTI and bladder cancer, as known in previous researches, is death. Artificial sweeteners are known to replace real sugar for dietary benefits. Fewer calories. They have fewer calories. The reason that sugar alcohols have fewer calories is because they are not completely absorbed by our body.
For this very reason, the intake of artificial sweeteners in the past 5 years has dramatically increased. Everyone is consuming products that have aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, and they're exposed to artificial sweeteners on a daily basis. So, from previous study, bladder cells have experienced mutagenic behavior when exposed to high concentrations of those three treatments. Those are also the most dangerous artificial sweeteners known today. They are detrimental to your health, as my partner said, and so we tested them, and we did a two-part study. So our first study was a cell study, and what we did was we tested the viability of liver and kidney cells after exposing the cells to various treatments or various concentrations of the treatments. And for the microbiology study, we tested whether or not the yeast cells that we use exhibit mutagenic behaviors after exposing them to different concentrations of the different treatments.
So the hypothesis for our cell study was that liver and kidney cells will have a lower viability rate when they're exposed to higher concentrations of the different artificial sweeteners that we use. And our sub-hypothesis stated that less viable cells will be recorded
with our higher concentrations.
And the research hypothesis for our microbiology study stated that when the yeast cells are exposed to higher concentrations of the different artificial sweeteners, then they will have a mutation, and that mutation will be the changing color of the colony to pinkish, coralish color. And the sub-hypothesis stated that the treatments with higher concentrations will cause the most mutations.
So after doing this study, we found that aspartame is the most detrimental artificial sweeteners, and it also has with a higher concentration, there is a lower viability, and we saw that in the yeast cells, we saw with the YTD breath, there was no collagen, so there was no mutation. However, for the tryptophan and isoleucine breath that we had, the aspartame showed the most mutagenic behaviors. And so this research indicates that aspartame is the most detrimental and it causes the most mutations, and so don't use that one.
So for future research, we would like to use bladder cells and find a more reliable bladder source which doesn't have bladder cancer. And we would also like to improve the Zimmerman test that we use for the microbiology test in our research project. And we will also try to fix the pipetting techniques and the use different concentrations of different types of artificial.
And also for control, we'd like to use natural sugar instead of. That's it. Thank you for watching.